Also, another example, another exercise, we will do it with our own hands for the idea of sorting. Sorting, maximizing ascending or descending, it depends on the numbers that you have. And you can also do this through the Excel, like as I said. Just quick reminder about sorting. If we say as example, you want to sort names, let's say here as example, let me open a new sheet. And here we said like also I press, then I will pull, so I can write, it will be a big, here we go. We need a new spreadsheet, new. Okay, when I press here first, then after that I pull, that will give me a good size for writing. So if I say this example, Sam and Bernard, and if I say Toronto, and if I say Alpha, and I say Gamma, any words or whatever, then I just want to sort them from A to Z, means that they will put them alphabetically from A to Z. So in that case, first thing that I will do is highlighting the part which I want to make the sorting on. Like as example here, then I go here for the sort filters, and I will tell him I want to sort from A to Z, from A to Z. When I sort from A to Z, look at what happened. You start with the alpha, then B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, till S, then T at the end. So this is now ordered in alphabetical ascending. Ascending means from starting with A and ended with Z. Okay, how about if I want to sort them from Z to A? We will find that you will do the opposite now. Look at this. The last letter was T here on these letters, then S, then G, then B, then A. Same thing in the numbers as well. If you do the numbers, as example 100, let's take this column 100, numlock, 100, 150, 75, 40, 320. And I just ask it to put for me sort. Of course, it's not active now. But if I activated it like that way, and I said I need to make the sort from A to Z, from the smallest to the largest. Look what will happen now, the numbers, the behavior of the numbers, and watch out what will happen after a few or a little while. Look, from the smallest to the largest, 40, 70, 100, 150, 320. How about the opposite? If I just want to make from the largest number to the smallest one, the same idea. I will go to sort, then I will sort from the largest to the smallest. So I expect that the application will start, the Excel application will start with 320. Then it goes to the fewer than the less, then this still it goes to the lowest one. Let's see from largest to smallest. Start with 320, and we go to 150, 100, 75, and 40. And this is how it works in all the cases, sorting from A to Z or from Z to A. If it is from A to Z, then we'll start in alphabetically, then we'll start with A, then B, then C, then D, and so on. If it is from A to Z, but you apply numbers, it will start from the lowest number and going forward till the highest number or the largest number. If you did the opposite from Z to A, so the largest number will be on the top, then after that, the lowest number will come later on. So it will go gradually from the higher to the lower if you choose from Z to A. and from the lower to the higher if you choose from A to Z. Same thing likewise for the alphabeticals. It goes from A to Z if you start the names with the first letters and go forward till we are our way down to the Z, and the opposite from Z to A. Shall leave me now to solve this question. We will give here around 15 minutes. So I have Sam, George, Alfred, John, Christopher, and I have numbers. So if I want to ascend them basically on the alphabeticals, I will give the order for highlight them and give the order for the alphabeticals from A to Z. But once I cannot highlight both of them because one is numbers and one is digits. I will highlight the words like this as example, Sam, George, Alfred, John. Then I will highlight it and see what will happen in the other column. Shall leave you here to solve this question with yourself around 15 minutes. Then we will get back to check out what you guys did. Thank you so much. Take your time and we will get back whenever you are done. So I'm here for any questions. If you have any questions, please don't regret to ask me. I'm here. Here is the example in front of you. Sam, George, Alfred, those are their wages. And I want you to do it ascending. Paste your Excel screenshot. Sort the list by names. You will list the names. Of course, when the names change, also the pay will change. Like if the first name is Alfred as example, then it will be 200 in front of Alfred, and so on. If you will do ascending by the names. Okay. We'll see what you will do. We'll have about 10 minutes here to do this question. You can take the numbers from here because this is a screenshot. All you will do is to write back the names and the wages in a new spreadsheet in your own personal computer.